When delivering a presentation, eye contact is a must to build trust and rapport. Looking into the audience's eyes can make them feel important and feel connected. Example, if I'm not looking into the camera, do you feel disconnected with me? So undeniably, mastering appropriate eye contact is necessary for a speaker. In a physical setting, how long should the eye contact be? It's up to you. Some say look directly at one person until we finish a thought, then move on to another person. I suggest us to make eye contact at a span that we are comfortable with, not too long and not too short. But don't forget to cover the whole audience. In virtual setting, it's straightforward. Just look at the camera. Now, do you believe that your eye contact can do more than just connecting with the audience? It can actually send messages. The most common message that we receive from our parents or partners are: in courtship, we do when feeling angry, to express sadness, to ask you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the next level that we can work on as a speaker. Remember to use your eyes and eyebrows naturally to assist you expressing your emotions. Look at the mirror and know what you can do with your eyes and eyebrows. When building up excitement, laser out the joy. When sharing emotional stories, touch people's hearts with eye contact. When advocating your call to action, be assertive. My friends, I hope this video enlightens you that eye contact is not only building trust, it can help you to express your emotions and make people feel what you feel. Together with your body language and facial expression, we can influence, impact, and impress even without any words. Lastly, see you in the next video. Thank you.